Some classic cars don't get restored right away. They get parked, half-finished, slightly forgotten, waiting quietly for the right owner to continue the story. Today, we're walking through 10 real classic project cars, all for sale, all unfinished, and all full of potential. Number 1. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau Coupe. Price, $7,500. Location, Faribault, Minnesota. This 66 Thunderbird Landau is one of those cars that still feels luxurious even as a project. Finished in red over a red interior, it's very much a mid-60s personal luxury coupe. Long doors, wide stance, and plenty of presence. Under the hood, it runs well, and the automatic transmission has been fully rebuilt with 0 miles on it. The carburetor has also been rebuilt, though it still needs some fine-tuning. Inside, the red leather interior is nearly perfect, which is a big win on a car like this. Structurally, the floors and trunk are solid. The body does need work, especially the quarter panels and fenders, typical Midwest rust issues. A new gas tank, sending unit, brakes, calipers, and lines have already been installed. It's a clean title car that runs, but the seller recommends trailering at home. This feels like a solid driver-level Thunderbird project that just needs cosmetic commitment to really shine again. Number 2. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $6,000. Location, Wentzville, Missouri. This is a very honest Mustang project. A 66 coupe finished in original blue with a black interior, powered by the classic 200 cubic inch inline-6 paired to a 3-speed manual floor shift. The car runs, and it's absolutely the kind of project you could drive while improving over time. Front disc brakes have already been added, which is a smart upgrade. The body shows rust in multiple areas, especially in the lower panels, but nothing about it feels hidden or misleading. Inside, the black vinyl bucket seats and rear bench are intact, and most of the dash and trim are still in place. Some electrical issues remain. The horn and gauges aren't working and will need troubleshooting. It comes with a clean Missouri title and no accident history reported. This Mustang isn't pretending to be perfect. It's a real-world classic that invites hands-on ownership. Number 3. 1962 Chrysler Imperial Crown. Price, $6,000, OBO. Location, Minneapolis, Minnesota. Big, bold, and unapologetically early 60s luxury. This 1962 Imperial Crown is a massive car with serious presence, powered by Chrysler's 413 V8 and a push-button TorqueFlite automatic. The car is described as solid and straight, but it's currently sidelined due to a rusted freeze plug that causes a coolant leak. Once repaired, the seller notes the price will increase. Paint quality is poor, with bubbling on the driver's door, but the body lines remain strong. What's impressive is the equipment: power windows, power locks, and a power adjustable bench seat, all of which reportedly still work. It also has an aftermarket exhaust, giving it a bit more voice than stock. This is a true full-size luxury project that rewards someone who appreciates scale, history, and mechanical presence. Number 4. 1964 Ford Custom 500. Price, $9,000. Location, Goodhue, Minnesota. This 64 Ford Custom 500 sits right in the heart of Ford's early muscle-era simplicity. Under the hood is a 390 V8, backed by a 3-speed manual on the column, giving it that classic sedan meets performance feel. The car runs and drives, and a lot of mechanical work has already been done. New brakes throughout, master cylinder, wheel cylinders, hoses, lines, freshly turned drums, and a new rear bumper. Most of the lights and gauges are believed to work. Interior-wise, it needs upholstery, carpet, and headliner. The seller includes a lot of valuable extras: a 4-speed tunnel for a floor shift conversion, NOS quarter emblems, pillar emblems, fuel door emblem, rear panel moldings, and a back window gasket. This feels like a project that's already been thoughtfully planned, just waiting for the next phase. Number 5. 1961 Ford Falcon sedan. Price, $5,000. Location, Faribault, Minnesota. Despite the listing title confusion, this is a 1961 Ford Falcon, and it's a simple, lightweight classic done the right way. Powered by a 200 inline-six with a newer engine that has roughly 1,000 miles on it. It also has a new carburetor, aluminum radiator, new transmission, and a new clutch. The car runs and drives well, making it one of the more usable projects in this lineup. Falcons are known for their simplicity and balance, and this one feels like a clean mechanical foundation that could go in many directions: stock cruiser, mild Rostamod, or even something more custom.
Number 6. 1960 Austin Champ. Price, $5,500. Location, Bethel, Minnesota. This one stands out immediately. The 1960 Austin Champ is a military-inspired utility vehicle powered by a Rolls-Royce B40 inline-4, an engine known for durability and torque rather than speed. The engine runs well, but the truck needs brake work, electrical attention, and some cooling hoses replaced. It comes with a title, plates, service manual, and wiring schematics, which is a huge plus for something this uncommon. It's not a typical American project car. It's more of a conversation piece, perfect for someone who enjoys unique mechanical history. Number 7. 1963.5 Ford Galaxy Fastback. Price, $6,000. Location, Rolfe, Iowa. This 1963.5 Galaxy Fastback is very close to original and highly restorable. Powered by a 352 V8 with an automatic transmission, it's been sitting indoors for years. The Fastback roofline gives this Galaxy a distinctly sporty look compared to the more common sedans. Being largely untouched makes it a strong candidate for a faithful restoration. Cars like this don't need much imagination, just time, care, and patience. Number 8. 1965 Plymouth Valiant. Price, $10,000. Location, Stockbridge, Michigan. This Valiant takes a very different turn. Under the hood is a built 360 cubic inch V8, bored .030 over, paired with a 904 automatic. According to the seller, it runs a 12.0 second quarter mile. With very low reported mileage and drag strip performance, this is more of a street and strip project than a restoration candidate. Details are limited, but it's clearly built for speed rather than originality. This is the kind of car that tells its story through sound and acceleration. Number 9. 1968 Lincoln Continental Coupe. Price, $9,000. Location, West Bend, Wisconsin. Few cars command space like a '68 Lincoln Continental Coupe. Powered by a 462 V8, this one runs strong and smooth, delivering that unmistakable late 60s luxury ride. The original blue leather interior is in good shape with minimal wear. The body is straight overall, showing some patina and light rust, perfect for a driver or a long-term restoration. Upgraded black alloy wheels give it a modern stance without overpowering the classic look. With full power options and a clean title, this Lincoln feels like a relaxed, confident cruiser that still turns heads effortlessly. Number 10. 1966 Buick Wildcat Convertible. Price, $8,500. Location, Indianapolis, Indiana. Closing out the list is a full-size '66 Buick Wildcat Convertible, big, powerful, and open top. Despite the high mileage, the seller states there are no mechanical problems and all power accessories work. The frame is solid, floors are intact, and it has a new gas tank. The quarter panels need replacement, but the seller includes all the parts. It's priced fairly, especially considering how rare full-size Buick convertibles have become. This feels like a true classic cruiser project, perfect for someone willing to finish what was started. And that's the lineup. 10 real classic project cars, all waiting for their next chapter. If you enjoy unfinished classics and forgotten projects like these, hit like, subscribe, and follow along. There are plenty more stories sitting quietly in garages, and we'll keep finding them.